Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Again, another one of our LSs. We are becoming, just like I said, the LS Engine King. We are building some, extremely beautiful looking LSs and back them up with horsepower and torque. This happens to be one of our smallest engines. This is our 408 LS engine, and this one's making about 600 horsepower. And it's making about 550 foot-pounds of torque. This one has to be going to a marine application. And this motor is actually going to Japan. It was custom painted blue, got the coil packs on top. This one happens to be running a FiTech because the gentleman is used to running the FiTech, so we put that on here. Most of our new systems are running Holly, but that's okay. We custom build the way you want them. And on the airboats, they also run an alternator only kit, and that's what we have here. So again, we custom build each and every engine to order. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. What do I always say? The proof is in the performance. Thank you. Hey, Co, I got your motor done here, man. It came out gorgeous. It runs great. Happens to be the Chevy LQ9 408 cubic inch. Gonna fire it up. Give you the run demo.